video is about 2 common grammar mistakes and how to use them correctly. This often comes in various competitive exams, so watch the video without skipping. Sentence number 1. I didn't receive the parcel yet. I didn't receive the parcel yet. It is a wrong sentence. Why? Because of the word yet. Yet establishes a connection between the past and the present. So, when you have a connection between the past and the present, you do not use simple past. You use present perfect. So, what will be the correct one? I haven't received the parcel yet. I haven't received the parcel yet. Look at sentence number 2. I have graduated from college in 2014. I have graduated from the college in 2014. This sentence is again wrong because this sentence has no connection with the present. You have long graduated from the college. Still you are using have here. So it's a wrong sentence. What will be the correct one? I graduated from college in 2014. I graduated from the college in 2014. Here we will not use the present perfect. We will simply use the simple past form. So the thumb rule is when you have a connection from the past to the present, you use present perfect tense, and when you do not have any connection to the present, you simply use simple past tense. I hope this video is clear now. For more such content, subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends.